Hey everybody, so I am here in Orlando. We just flew in last night and I am getting ready for this really great event called Clickfunnel Hacking. And I'm really excited because there's going to be a bunch of great, amazing public speakers today. And I'm really going to be like transitioning into something that I wouldn't really normally do because I've never really taken a vacation to go to a seminar and learn something. So this is basically right around the corner for my birthday. So it's kind of like a birthday gift, but I cannot wait to show you guys the sneak peeks and just like all around what this event is about, because it's mainly focusing on business and I want to do a lot more content on my page revolving business since I've been pretty successful with my Shopify store and just all around with getting my brand and the blogs off the ground. I'm going to be starting to make more content, ebooks, and even courses revolved around business. So that's why I'm here at this event, and we're staying at this hotel called the Gaylord Hotel. I'm gonna show you guys around once we start walking around. I'm gonna, of course, cut on the camera and show you guys how this event goes down, what hotel we're at, what we're gonna be eating, and just basically vlogging this whole trip so you guys can see what this ClickFunnel hacking event is all about, and maybe we can learn something together. But overall, I'm just doing my makeup really quick, probably gonna throw on a cute dress, some type of business attire, which I will show you guys once I get ready. I'm gonna do some really basic makeup, very natural look. I don't wanna have too much on my face for this because it's not that serious. I'm going to finish getting ready and doing my makeup, and then once I'm ready and have my dress on and stuff, I'm gonna cut the camera back on and basically just show you guys around what's going on, the scheduling, everything that basically is included in this lovely ClickFunnels seminar. So we literally just registered. The event's gonna start in about an hour. They gave us this cool gift box and I have no idea what's in it. We got our name tags and then a couple ribbons to let us know what everybody does for a living, I guess. But I will keep you guys posted. So I told you guys that I really wanted to show you guys everything that's going on with this event because it's like such a unique event. Like, you guys just need to know like everything they're giving us and just like everything. So basically we just went and registered. Took about like 5 minutes because I think everyone registered yesterday. And I got this badge here, and then they gave us these ribbons to let us know what each other's doing. I got ecom and blogging, and then I'm also missing one ribbon that says like it's my first year here, rookie or whatever. And then upon registering, they gave us this really cool gift box here, and I'm going to unbox it right now and just show you some of the things that they gave us that's included with this, what is this thing called again?
Swag bag. The swag bag?
With the swag bag. They called it a swag bag. So I'm just gonna turn the camera over and open it up and just show you guys some of the goodies that they gave us really quick. So this is the box it came in. Everything here is like super branded and amazing. Like seriously, so the event is called Funnel Hacking Live. And let's just open this up and see what they gave us. So here we have just like a cute little saying. The 2 Comma Club basically is like an award system that they have for this event when you make $1 million with your funnel, which is pretty amazing. So they gave us this great branded notebook that I'm probably going to use to take notes today. And then I got a book bag, which I definitely need because lately I've been bringing my laptop to Panera and Starbucks, and I just have a really small fashionable bag that doesn't fit anything. So that's going to be really great. Then they gave us this cute little fanny pack, which I'm probably going to use when I run. Put my wallet in there and my phone when I'm going outside. We got a mask, which is like, this is like a really high quality mask. And then Oh, one of my favorite things ever, the buttons for the phone. We got a phone button so that we can take selfies better. And then this cool, what is this? I think this is a stress ball. Oh, actually, this is chapstick. It's not a stress ball. This is chapstick. So they gave us a chapstick. And then I'm not really sure what's in here. They gave us a cool little t-shirt. Oh, and it's long sleeve. I love long sleeve t-shirts. And then, of course, for sanitary purposes, hand sanitizer. So that's basically the unboxing of funnel hacking. And guys, this is literally how you do an event. Like, I really feel like I'm a part of a culture. Just being involved in this, getting the ribbons and getting the gifts, and just like, this event makes you feel very included in what's going on. So I'm going to close this out and show you guys a little bit of the public speaking that's going to be going on during this event, and doing a little bit more walking around. So there you have it. But we're gonna have to see.
With the additional media that comes along that we can use if we're intelligent about it. So, you know, yellow pages before really the websites were a thing.
Hey guys, this is day 3 at Funnel Hacking. We're all waiting to go inside, and I have a certain feeling that Tony Robbins is going to be speaking today. So hopefully I get some good clips of him, because he's supposedly the greatest motivator in the world. So it's going to be feeling really good to just be in the same vicinity in a room with people of that energy. I'm going to keep you guys posted on everything that's going on. And we're just waiting to go in right now.
In this case,
Yeah, this is dope.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know what I was gonna do. Yeah, this is something she would have been at. This something